Welcome to Umbraco tutorial part 3. In this video I am going to create one simple page and run into the browser. So we are going to create a home page. So my agenda is to download template, then we are going to create a document type template for the home page and then create a property like title, body and footer, and lastly we are going to add CSS in our page. I have already installed Umbraco in my local. So first we require HTML template for work around that particular part. So I am going to download this template from the document.umbraco.com. So this is a simple template which you can also download from document Umbraco document in tutorial section. You can find this template. So download it, our template, and then I'm going to open. Let me copy paste this zip file to our Umbraco 14 folder in C drive and unzip this entire template so we can know that how many CSS, JS and HTML over there. So if you see that, let me just copy paste. If you see that we have a multiple HTML, CSS and all the required file for our website. Here are all the images. So let me jump. You can also read all the description and how the page is going to display. All are mentioned in document.umbraco.com. So here I am going to create first our home document type with the template. I think session is logout. Let me just refresh my page. Let me log in again. First we need to create a document type with the template and name it as a home page. So I am going to use this document type into home page. So allow as a root and let me select a icon so that we can identify in our content section. Now let's add some property in this page. So I am creating one group, content group, and in this particular group I am going to add page title and data type is like a string or text string. Then second is a body section, and for this I am going to select rich text editor. So we can add I can add anything like entire HTML. If I want to add in the particular body, then I can add that part. And now footer same as a page title, text string then submit and save all the changes. Now we have page title, body and footer as well, but I think if I can create a one more group and put that footer in that particular group. So I'm going to delete this and add a new group, footer, and that particular group I'm going to add footer text. Same as I selected a text string. So now our document type is ready. We have 3 property and 2 group over there. So next I need to add HTML in the template. So in template section we have a home page. So let me copy entire HTML from our template site. So I am going to open in Notepad. I just copy entire thing or entire HTML from template HTML to our this template home page template and save it. Now our document type and template is ready. So I'm directly create a content. So if you are click on plus sign, you can see that our home page over here. Name it like home page or home, anything, and save and publish. Before publish, let me add some like title, body text and footer. So we can use this property in runtime, or we can display this property in our HTML template as well. Footer. This is a footer. Now save and publish entire things. Now if you go in info, you can find one link over here. I think, yeah, link is coming. Just click on that particular link, it's going to open our home page. I think I am missing some package. Let me install this package in our by help of CLI. So copy this entire thing, open command prompt. Now go to your project path. In my case, C drive Umbraco 14. And my project is my web. So let me first find entire package command or CLI command for the NuGet. So this is our command. Just copy and run this command in from CLI. We're going to install entire package. The package is installed successfully. Let me restart our IIS. Build it successfully. Now start our IIS. Now all done. Let me refresh this page or this URL. Yes, our home page is displaying successfully. But I am not adding any CSS and all the things, so it's not look like as it is. Let me show the inspect element, and let me show that we are missing a CSS. So our network give us a error like missing a CSS of 404. CSS is not found. Let me show that. You can see that CSS is not found from our website. So for that we also need to add CSS. So I'm going to my CSS folder, copy entire CSS and CSS folder and paste into our www root folder. Now I'm going to refresh our home page. Now CSS is loading successfully. You can also see that particular CSS in backend part also. Here you can see that entire CSS, or you can directly edit this CSS from here. Like go to the code side, you can show entire CSS classes and all the things. You can directly change from here, and it's going to apply in our live website. So next part I am going to add page title, body and footer, so that we can manage content from backend. So I am just go to add title. In template section we need to add some value, or we need to do some coding like which require from get value from our backend property to front end side. So I am select field and home page and then page title. So title is going to display in here, and then body. I am remove entire this thing. This is I think UI. Let me check again. Okay. So in this part I am going to show body section. So home page, document type is home, and properties body text, and last I am going to show footer. So currently I am going to delete entire footer HTML like ULI and all the things, and directly paste our value. Insert value, home page, and field is a footer text. Now I'm going to refresh page. You can see home page, and this is a body text. Scroll down, I have also this is a footer text. This all come from our content site. So if you are going to change anything over here, it's going to apply in live site. You just need to save and publish this thing, and it's automatically appear front end side. Let me show the demo. You can see our all changes coming from back side to front side. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching Umbraco tutorial part 3. Stay with me for part 4.